That there engine is purring. This is a very nice Ford F-350 crew cab dually with a flatbed on there, a Bradford Built Flatbed. It is diesel, as you could hear. You know, there's the usual wear on the seats, nothing terrible. The seats itself are in great shape. Okay, take you across the dash. It's got navigation and sync and hands-free phone and heated and cooled seats and all of that. Oh, actually, it does not have heated and cooled seats. Sorry, I spoke too soon. It's a little more basic than that. It does have 109,000 miles on it. Whoa. And is clean and straight. Tires are good. Again, it's a Bradford built deck. Tires. There's your tread. They're not new, but they're not bad. Got some of the boxes built in. And once again on the dash here, show it all to you. There's the inside fully. And we'll bring you around the passenger side of this beautiful 6.7 Powerstroke with this gorgeous Grille Guard on here. Look, there's even place for a winch down there. That's nice. Alright, so here we go. You'll see this fine vehicle at Snowy Mountain Motors in Lewistown in person. And I know you'll like it, or my name is Nick Skiba, and it still is.